Most of the time when something breaks in your RV-specific training isn't really the answer. At home, when your power goes out, you call an electrician. When your toilet explodes, you call a plumber. But when you're on vacation in the middle of nowhere, you don't have 3 to 6 weeks to wait on a service appointment. That's why our online training isn't just about RVs. It's about the trades. It's about understanding electrical, plumbing, propane, and systems, so you can actually run the right tests and understand why something isn't working. You'll learn the 3 types of RV electrical, how to use a multimeter, and how signal flow works. You're not going to be standing there guessing while your family waits on you. We teach you propane fundamentals too, so when you smell gas, you don't panic and drive your RV off a cliff. Now, you're not going to replace certified mobile technicians, but what it will do is teach you and give you the knowledge to be able to fix the small stuff yourself, or confidently explain the problem to a dealer or a certified mobile RV tech, so you actually get real help. Knowledge saves time and money. In all cases, know your limits and call a pro when you need to. But educate yourself so you're in control. Visit RVTechCourse.com. If you want to travel with confidence, start with the fundamentals. Start with RVTechCourse.com. Learn the skills, travel smarter.